Welcome back to the Kashyap Tech IT Brothers. So this is the part 3 of the SQL tutorial of connection managers, and this include about the ADO connection manager in SSIS package. The ADO connection manager in SSIS package is enable SQL Server Integration Services package to connect with the active data objects. In short, ADO objects, for example, if we want to connect with the data so stated in previous version VB6 or something else, we can use these ADO connection managers. So let's jump to the Visual Studio and try to create the connection managers of ADO. So just same way, just click on you can see the solution explorer in the right side in Visual Studio whenever you create the projects in Visual Studio, and you will see the solution explorer. So just click on the connection manager and right click new connection managers. Just see, you will find the numbers of types of connection managers here. Just click on the ADO and add it and click on the new. So basically it is showing this message showing like just use the supported version of the provider, but click on the OK. We can select the manually in ADO. I'll select this one, which one is supported to me, and server of file name, it's a local DB MS SQL DB. And after that you can see, you can select the use Windows NT, means like it's directly populate the Windows authentication, or if you have a username password, then you can select this and enter the username password of your databases. And you will see here the multiple database, whatever database you have created in your server, SQL server, it will get populated here. Click OK. Is the connection, the connection success. Okay, click OK, then click OK. So this will, you can see here it was created. Okay, so basically we have created this connection at a project level, then it will get used everywhere. If you wanted to use the connection for the specific package in this package, then see it's a package 2, then you can in the data flow can click right click, not in data flow, in control flow, click on right anywhere in the blank area, and you see new connection. Same steps you can follow, then this connection will be used only for this package, that is the package to DSX. Okay, it will not get used in other package, but if you have created in the project level at from here, then it will get used in every package. Okay, so that's it about this. I hope you guys understand. So thank you so much.